Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this problem. The first term of a sequence is 2005. Each succeeding term is the sum of cubes of the digits of the previous term. Then what is the 2020th term? The first term of a sequence is 2005. Each succeeding term is the sum of cubes of the digits of the previous term. So let us understand, So first let's write down what is the first term of the sequence, that is 2005. They said that the next term is the sum of cubes of the digits of the previous term, that is nothing but 2 cube plus 0 cube plus 0 cube plus 5 cube. So let us see what is this value. So that will be 2005 and 2 cube plus 5 cube, 8 plus 125, that is 133. My next term will be again cubes of this, that is 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 3 cube. Let us try to understand what it is. So can we write it as now? First term is 2005, second term is 133, and the third term is 3 cube is 27, 27 plus 27, 54 plus 1 is 55, and the next term will be nothing but 5 cube plus 5 cube. So let us see what that is. It will become now 2005, then second is 133, third is 55, fourth is 5 cube is 125, 125 plus 125 is 250, and the next term will be 2 cube plus 5 cube. So you can see that we started with 2 cube plus 5 cube, again we reached 2 cube plus 5 cube. That means there is a pattern here. So once we understand there is a pattern, we can apply the logic of modulus, or we can find out easily what is the 2020th term. Now what is 2 cube plus 5 cube? We know 133. Now let us try to understand how this sequence is going. So it will be 2005 first, after that it will be 133, then it will be 55, then it will be 250, then again it will be 133, that means again it will be 55, again it will be 250, that means this continues. Let us see now what is the positions here we have. 2005 is first term, 133 is second term, third term is 55, fourth term is 250, fifth term is 133, sixth term is 55, seventh term is 250. So we can observe that for every three numbers the values are repeating: 133, 55, 250, again 133, 55, 250. We want to find out is 2020. So let's go ahead and try to find out how we can write 2020 as a multiple of 3, or can we find out what is modulus of 2020 comma 3. That means if you divide 2020 with 3, what will be the remainder? Remainder will be equal to 1. That means all 3's will go up to value of 55, and I have to move by 1 extra, so that will be equal to 250. So the 2020th term value will be equal to 250. Let's have a recap of this. We have been given that the first term of a sequence is 2005. Each succeeding term is the sum of cubes of the digits of the previous term. So second term will be 2 cube plus 5 cube. Third term will be 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 3 cube. Fourth term will be 5 cube plus 5 cube. And we observed that after 2005, the next three terms are repeating. That means this sequence is repeating every three numbers same again, values of 133, 55, 250. Now let's have a look at the positions. First position, second position, third position. We see that the third position is occupied by 55. All multiples of 3 will occupy the position of 55. Now what we have is 2020, which is a multiple of 3 plus 1. The remainder is 1. That means we have to move by one more position. So that will be value is 250. So the 2020th term value is 250.